सेकंड ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक एथिकल तो था ही, मतलब एथिकल
सेक्टर्स की
रीजंस
बात करें अगर हम
अगर सेक्टर्स में देखें तो डेफिनेटली जैसे जहाँ पे अकाउंटेबिलिटी ज़्यादा आती है, सपोज करो मेडिकल सेक्टर हो गया, तो वहाँ पे अगर आप यू आर डीलिंग विद अ पेशेंट, ठीक है, एंड डॉक्टर इज अकाउंटेबल, तो डॉक्टर ये नहीं है कि वो सब कुछ ही एआई में डाल देगा, एआई दे देगा। अब सपोज करो कोई दवाई ऊपर नीचे हो गई, उसको कोई एलर्जीज है या कुछ भी रीजंस है, मतलब तो एआई कांट बी अकाउंटेबल इन दैट, तो मतलब आई थिंक इट कांट रिप्लेस इन दैट सेक्टर। एज एन आर्टिस्ट आई एम एन एनिमेटर, तो जैसे अगर की फ्रेम भी, हाँ एआई कैन बी यूज्ड इन स्टोरी बोर्डिंग एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, बट जो मेन जिससे इमोशन आता है, मतलब पेंट लॉट, आई ड्रॉ लॉट, तो अगर कोई चीज़ आप ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, यू आर क्रिएटिंग समथिंग, उसमें एक इमोशन होता है, इवन इफ यू प्लेइंग एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, उसमें एक इमोशन होता है। तो व्हाट आई थिंक कि यू कांट बी टोटली डिपेंडेंट कि आप उसको, एआई कैन बी टेकन कंट्रोल ऑफ योर इमोशन। आई थिंक एआई में हाँ इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस धीरे धीरे आएगा, एम्पैथी धीरे धीरे आएगी, बट जो ह्यूमन लेवल पे इमोशनल एम्पैथी जो कम्प्लीटली है वो एआई नहीं ले सकता। दैट्स व्हाट आई फील, मतलब
makes a lot of sense. Maybe your answer.
I think like the data which we are giving to AI is basically used by company for R&D. So basically like the data which we give them, so they collect that and work on like how that data can be used to know that what is the current thinking of like the work we are producing. For example, in healthcare sector as well, so there are several reports like new symptoms arise, like in COVID as well. Many symptoms were we were unaware of that, like what symptoms were in COVID. So after analyzing those symptoms and after analyzing those reports, AI can be a beneficial in healthcare, I think, because AI can go through past data, past history, and which humans will take some like great time. But AI can analyze that and can work how we can perceive that data and how we can work on some healthcare solution to find like to make it better. Also, I think with data compromise is like we have to think what data we have to share with AI and what private privacy we have to maintain. For example, we have heard many news that someone's API key is compromised, and later they will charge some like huge amounts from Google Cloud or something. So I think we need to make sure how what data we are feeding to AI and what result we are getting, because what we feed only that we will get in return. So I think it's necessary to do everything ethically and use it in a proper way.
Yeah,
So
I have a
makes-
point to add
Sure.
in this. So basically, what we can do is कि we should focus on building AI locally. मतलब जैसे people are dependent on AI is based in US mostly right now. EU है, वो laws लाता है, they say कि आपको जो भी train करना है data, वो आप इधर particular इस area में करोगे and it can't reach outwards. तो हाँ इसमें ये है कि हमें लग रहा था कि AI इसमें हमारी जॉब ले जाएगा, दिस कैन हेल्प कि हम इंडिया में बैठे बैठे वी बिल्ड आवर ओन एआई, वी बिल्ड आवर ओन कम्युनिटी जो यहाँ पे लोकली रजिस्टर्ड हो, जो लोकली ऑपरेट कर रही हो, एंड दे और उनको ज़्यादा अच्छी समझ होगी कि किस एरिया में किस तरीके से हमारा एआई यूज़ हो रहा है, एंड दे कैन वर्क इन टैंडम विद द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो कि हमारा डेटा इज सिक्योर विद इन आवर कंट्री एंड नो अदर वन, कोई और रीच नहीं कर सकते मतलब।
So my friend, I strongly feel that you have a lot of bank balance.
नहीं मतलब
When we talk about setting it up in a local environment, it's like hell of a money
मतलब
involved,
हाँ
right?
डेफिनेटली हाँ उसमें बहुत पैसा जाना है, बहुत रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट होना है, बट उसी जो पैसा जाएगा, जो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट होगा, उसी से आई थिंक हमारी जॉब्स उसमें और क्रिएट होंगी उस सेक्टर में, तो वो आई फील
और अगर ये खा गया तो
मतलब वही है, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो ये नहीं ले सकता, लाइक बिल्डिंग।
Actually, it takes a lot of time to reach to that stage.
हाँ बट
So you spoke in 2 minutes. It will take more than 2 years.
हाँ मतलब maybe 20 years, maybe building server farms is not an easy option right now with
Google
us.
Gemini everyone uses. Right?
हाँ
किसने बनाया है?
मेरे
उनकी
को नहीं पता।
Google की कंपनी है Google DeepMind.
हाँ
They did more than 10 years of research to reach that.
हाँ
In fact, training
so-
कितनी training लगी?
हाँ,
10 years से भी ज़्यादा.
10 years से ज़्यादा training data capture करना. अब think about it that if I ask you don't use ChatGPT right now, wait for 10 years, we have an AI in India after 10 years.
that's an issue.
Will you use that?
But
So it is
but it's like कि जितना early हम start कर सकते हैं, it's much better.
and security सिक्योरिटी की बात जब हो रही थी तो it is kind of a trade off, right? Ease of use versus actually do you want to give your data, right? For example, you don't think before saying allow on your phone to read the OTPs, right? You order something online, phone पे OTP आता है, एक prompt आएगा that can we read the OTP from your screen, you say allow.
And you are
have
gone.
you entered the OTP manually yourself? Rarely, कभी कभी आप करते होगे. Mostly are like आपने बोला तो allow, तुम read कर लो and do this for you.
So I have certain stories to tell you guys. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm
No,
overtaking you.
go ahead.
So I have certain stories to tell. I have seen data of all your credit cards, debit cards, with the CVV numbers as well. I have seen it all. I have worked in a fintech company. I won't name any company. Controversial हो जाएगा और मैं फंस जाऊँगा फिर. I will be another Samir Raina. I don't want to be like that. Okay. And मैंने तुम्हारे सारे CVVs और वो सब देखे हैं. Proper Excel आती है हमारे पास. We understand कि इसने इतने टाइम में किया क्लोज, इसने इतने टाइम में ये क्लोज किया, राइट? सिक्योरिटी तो आप लोग सोच ही नहीं पाए कि फिनटेक में कैसे होगी. थिंक अबाउट इट. हम में से मतलब आप लोगों में से आई couldn't get one answer from a financial background. In fintech, for example, if I name big brands like HDFC, ICICI Bank, these guys don't rely on GPT anymore. They're not following, they don't have any policies to even use GPT on their own systems. So I did a freelance project with them and I was clearly told that if you have it on your system, please remove it. But if we catch it, then we won't be able to hire you at all. So they are that strict about it. When we talk about finances. So have you heard about a story about a founder in Taiwan? He used Claude and he was building his own LLM. He asked Claude Cowork to actually manipulate the LLM and then Claude deleted the whole LLM.
The database, I guess.
Yeah, the database. So how can you 100% trust on that? So that's what I think ma'am was mentioning. The human touch is very important. If the human touch is not there, AI will eat you up. Trust me.
Definitely.
Right? I think that's pretty much from my end for this particular question. Over to others.
Yeah, sure.
I would just like to change your question a bit. That would you be able to trust AI? So would you be able to trust autonomous AI?
Oh yeah.
Correct.
So कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे autonomous AI नहीं आप ट्रस्ट कर सकते, लेकिन AI assisted trust, human assisted AI ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो. कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे human assisted भी ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते, like defense.
Right.
Correct.
Like
Absolutely.
so the news is it may be true, it may not be.
नहीं सर कंट्रोवर्सी बनाएंगे हम.
So the undercurrent is that ये जो अभी ईरान में वो जो स्टूडेंट स्कूल पे जो बॉम्ब हुआ,
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
actually that those coordinates were given by a machine. It may be AI, it may not be AI. Those coordinates were given by a machine, that is the potential target. Nobody even cared to actually do a recce of the target, or nobody even cared to
Right.
कि एक बार check तो कर लें. And then 180 students had to give their life. So the point is कुछ ऐसे sectors हैं जहाँ पे human assisted भी शायद ना हो पाए. कुछ ऐसे sectors हैं जहाँ पे अगर मैं एक high level पे अगर बोलूँ, I think creative sectors, lot of
Yes.
जहाँ पे creativity है वहाँ पे lot of AI will be used. और जहाँ पे deterministic है, I think वहाँ पे जहाँ पे you need precision, you need determinism, वहाँ पे it will be less. और जहाँ ये security concerns हैं वहाँ पे I think even lesser.
Even lesser.
So if you talk about design specifically, as he mentioned, creative side, UI might be automated,
Yes.
completely automated. वो तो हो भी चुका है I feel, right?
Already there.
Yeah. But when we talk about UX, the experience, a human touch is definitely needed. If it is not there, तो IRCTC जैसा हाल हो
It
जाएगा.
will still assist. It will still AI will still assist you.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि even for that, even for UX, you can ask questions.
Right.
You need to ask the right questions.
Right.
That's what.
The questions can be like from general data, like we have like public.
You have to be smart enough. ऐसा नहीं है कि public questions आ गए.
No, like how the customer feedback is taking place. Like we have multiple customer feedback on
आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा सेंटर कर गए. हमें बड़ी umbrella पे ही रहने हैं.
basically
Yeah.
like we are getting many complaints based on UX. So for analyzing that UX complaints, we can use AI. Like what is the general phenomena which a user is facing.
Yeah.
So for
Yes.
that persona, for that we can use AI in
Yeah.
knowing the user
Analysis.
centric behavior.
So someone has to ask the question.
Yes.
If you
Yeah.
don't ask the question, it will still do whatever you tell it to do. But you have to ask the question. Keep asking. Keep
That-
thinking.
That was the right question.
Yeah.
That is the right
The right
question. Because अगर मेरी तरह AC का पूछोगे तो फिर क्या होगा? Right? Maybe ma'am. Over to ma'am.
So Brahmji just said fintech, so I am from fintech background only. So
You know my pain then.
and yeah. On daily basis we see millions of transactions that he was
Yeah.
talking about, and he rightly said that in fact हमारा जो product है that is for US market, and we have end to end like how a merchant, how the shopkeeper details are entered in our portal, and it how the underwriting is done, KYC is done. We have built that end to end, and then this transaction happen. How we do the risk analysis also. So what we were doing, I'll just give you an example. So we are building a AI assistant for our ISOs and acquirers, so they can they can be trained themselves from that AI assistant. And when we started on that, we could only do the knowledge base. We could only ingest the knowledge base. Apart from that, we are still on that security thing and compliance thing. So we have just ingested the knowledge base right now, that acquirers, they can just train themselves using that AI assistant, nothing else, because that is one of the major thing that still risk is there. And so we are still figuring it out whether we need to generate those data insights from those transactional data. Still we are figuring it out how to do that. So it's a major factor in the payment industry is what I can talk about on the fintech side. It's very tough and it's very insecure right now.
And building that
Fintech
trust.
as well, fintech as well. Blockchain technology is also being used with AI. So like blockchain is like
Blockchain क्यों आया था इससे बात करते seriously
अब आप फंस गए।
blockchain distributed decentralized
Yeah.
applications, public ledger क्यों आया था इससे बात करते हैं. I think a lot of this what you asked will get answered.
Yes.
The reason was, again, data was getting centralized, right? When data is getting centralized, accountability, security was getting centralized. Authority, authorization was getting centralized.
One server goes and everything is
Yeah.
done.
And one entity has control on it. They have decryption, even if it is encrypted, they have decryption control on
They
it.
can, yeah.
That was the reason decentralization came, right? And जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि we are giving all our data to US entities for this. We'll figure out.
Yeah.
मतलब वो कह रहे हैं तभी भी होगा.
Humanity will figure
Yes,
out.
yeah.
ये कैसे ठीक है?
I mean, if you look in the hardware terms, right, things are getting smaller and more powerful. Nvidia है, बहुत सारी companies है, right? They are building those things. So eventually, maybe after 5 years, 10 years, I am envisioning that you will have ChatGPT level of compute in your phone. Data don't have to leave your phone, right? So in terms of the concerns that you have, definitely, probably it will solve that issues later.
एक एक्टिविटी करें फटाफट से. So I have a very interesting activity. So may I know from what kind of domain you want to get into? मतलब कौन से डोमेन में जाना है, कौन सी जॉब करनी है, अगर मतलब if I give you a chance, आप कौन सी जॉब करना चाहेंगे?
मतलब I am living
अभी
my
भी
dream.
मतलब
मैं बता रहा हूँ as in
अच्छा ओके.
Like fintech.
I am living my dream job owning a cafe. ठीक है. but-
यार मैं तो जॉब दे रहा हूँ यार, तुम्हें जॉब देनी है भाई.
Job लेनी है तो I would definitely go into cybersecurity
अच्छा.
because I have worked in that area. I have worked in forensics. I have built a platform and I have built a system जिसमें like हाँ AI का भी use हो रहा है मतलब तो हाँ मतलब
मतलब ये का ही यूज हो रहा है, ये कहना चाह रहे हैं.
in a very constructed environment as well.
That's fine.
हाँ but अगर जाना चाहते हो I would go into cybersecurity or maybe design since
Okay.
I'm a creative person
ठीक है.
or maybe a influx of both of them.
ठीक है.
So that's what I want to achieve. मतलब in my
How about you, ma'am?
So I would like to go in space pharmaceuticals.
It's okay to give one word answer, ज़्यादा मतलब सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है.
That's it. Space neuroscience. That's
Okay,
it.
after you.
I would prefer to go with R&D.
Okay.
research.
research and development and like developing new technology and figuring out like what we can go with human
Okay.
base and like
Okay. How about you, sir?
Finance and actually
Okay. Finance and actuarial.
next.
And if also possible, I'd like to go into building the infrastructure or the hardware based on AI. Because मेरे को लग रहा है कि अगर सॉफ्टवेयर जॉब्स इतने इशू आ रहा है, बट आई थिंक हार्डवेयर में उतना नहीं आएगा. आई थिंक हार्डवेयर में और जॉब ओपनिंग्स होंगी बेस्ड ऑन दिस मतलब.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
It is
India
possible
will
that
करे.
people will move towards
हाँ,
hardware.
hardware based.
So I'll say shit will again happen. And welcome to the blue moon. You're sitting on 3 different boats, which means कि मतलब कहीं से भी नौकरी मिल जाए, मजा से मिल जाए. So the activity is you guys need to decide and you guys need to pitch us that why should we hire you in the domain which you mentioned right now. मुश्किल कर दिया ना मैंने? नहीं करा.
What
ChatGPT
do you-
calculate.
So what do you know right now?
हाँ, based on that.
Based on that,
You just need to convince
Your knowledge and what
all
is
4 of
basic.
us कि हम आपको hire कर लें. That's it. Who wants to go first?
just 2 sentences. That's all.
हाँ,
no,
मतलब-
no complicated things. Interview नहीं देना.
Extemper नहीं करना है. Tension मत लो. Don't worry about it. And it's very casual यार. मतलब मुझे अगर ये बोलोगे हाँ मुझे hire कर लो, मैं नहीं करूँगा.
सो मेरा मैथ बहुत स्ट्रांग है और मैंने डेटा और रिस्क वाली चीज़ में मैंने बहुत सारा काम भी किया है. काम इन द सेंस मैंने प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड्स किए हैं. तो मुझे तो फाइनेंस और रिस्क वाला फैक्टर में जहाँ पे डिफ़ॉल्ट होता है कि नहीं होता है बैंकिंग सेक्टर के साथ ज़्यादा, वहाँ पे तो मैंने बहुत सारा एक्सपर्टीज से बात भी कर रखी है और मॉडल भी ट्रेन कर रखे हैं. और 2-3 मॉडल तो बहुत ही अच्छे परफॉर्म भी कर रखे हैं.
सिर्फ मैं नहीं hire कर रहा हूँ, बाकी लोग भी कर रहे हैं. उनकी तरफ भी देखो.
मतलब जो भी
Yeah.
तो यही है.
So what if कि हम एक मल्टी एजेंट सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं. You know what agents are, right? So let's say हम एक मल्टी एजेंट सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं जो उससे बेटर परफॉर्म करे. That looks at like 2000 data points. हर चीज़ ला रहा है, मल्टी मॉडल है, इमेजेस देख रहा है, वीडियोस देख रहा है, सारे यूजर्स के डेटा पॉइंट, उसकी एक्टिविटी, उसकी पूरी डिजिटल लाइफ देख के प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा है फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड और कुछ. तो हाउ वुड यू कम्पीट विद दैट और व्हाट वुड यू डू इन
मैं
दैट
तो
सिनेरियो?
बोलता हूँ उससे मतलब कंप्लीट तो अपना जो ट्रेडिशनल मशीन लर्निंग है ना वो उसे आउट परफॉर्म कर देगा.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि ये बहुत नीश डेटा होता है. मल्टी एजेंट यार ब्लैक बॉक्स मल्टी एजेंट ना ब्लैक बॉक्स मॉडल है जहाँ पे कोई रीजन नहीं है वहाँ पे कोई आउटपुट जो दे रहा है. अभी तो कोई भी उसका वो नहीं आया जो अपने जो न्यूट्रॉन होते हैं वो प्रॉपरली रीजन नहीं दे पाते.
Okay.
वहाँ पे जहाँ पे मशीन लर्निंग है वहाँ पे अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाएगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे प्रॉपर वो है रीजन है कि यहाँ पे जो ट्रेंड है ऐसे क्यों जा रहा है. और उसके बारे में भी हम बहुत सारे डेरिवेटिव करवाते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है.
So you would trust deterministic process more than generative, right?
इन फाइनेंस
In finance. Do you have a comment on that?
I am out of finance.
So, एक क्वेश्चन है कि एक ट्रांजैक्शन ठीक है और इस ट्रांजैक्शन का 4 आउटकम है, मल्टीपल आउटकम्स है. लाइक वन इज द रिफंड, पहला रिफंड हुआ, फिर उसके बाद चार्ज बैक हुआ, फिर पार्शियल रिफंड हुआ, फिर डिस्प्यूट हुआ. ठीक है. आप एक मॉडल से आपको प्रिडिक्ट करना है. बेस्ट प्रिडिक्शन क्या होगी कि उस ट्रांजैक्शन का कितना % कौन सा फाइनल आउटकम रहेगा. ठीक है. एक ही ट्रांजैक्शन है, यू डिड द ट्रांजैक्शन and that has 4 like multiple outcomes. ये पहला आया चार्ज बैक हुआ, सेकंड आया रिफंड हुआ, फिर पार्शियल रिफंड हुआ, फिर डिस्प्यूट हो गया. नाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग यू आर डूइंग दिस प्रेडिक्शंस एंड यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग योर मॉडल. मुझे एक आउटकम बता सकते हो कि क्या रहेगा, कितने % श्योर रहेगा तुम्हारा मॉडल और वो उसका आउटकम रहेगा उस ट्रांजैक्शन.
फंस गए गुरु.
तो पहला स्ट्रक्चर तो यही रहेगा कि कम से कम 1 लाख डेटा सेट तो होंगे पास्ट पे उसी चीज़ को शेड्यूल. उसके बाद जो मॉडल लिया मतलब डेटा सेट ले लिया, उसके बाद तो वहाँ पे हमें पहले ना खुद ही ना आंखों से एक बार देखना पड़ेगा कि चल क्या रहा है, ट्रेंड हो क्या रहा है बेसिकली जो पास्ट में जो हुआ है. तो मैं वहाँ पे मल्टी मॉडल जैन या ए पर तो नहीं लगाऊंगा, वहाँ पे मैं SVM सोच रहा हूँ लगाने के. सपोर्ट वेक्टर कोई मॉडल है वो, क्योंकि वो अभी तक बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल ने बताया कि फाइनेंस डेटा में आजकल वो बहुत परफॉर्म कर रहा है. उसके लिए 2 लाख डेटा सेट तो चाहिए. तो वहाँ पे जो उसका जो भी आउटपुट देगा ना वो प्रॉपरली वो मतलब उसके साथ देगा, रीजन के साथ देगा, जो उसकी जो ये प्रोबेबिलिटी जो डिफ़ॉल्ट हुआ है चाहे जो भी हो. तो उसकी प्रॉपर रीजनिंग देगा वो मॉडल।
तो वो मॉडल 100%
नहीं 100% तो खैर वो तो होगा, उसकी एक्यूरेसी डिपेंड करती है कि हम कितना उसे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, कि जब फाइनल आउटकम से जब वो मैच करेगा फिर जो एरर आएगा तो धीरे धीरे वो मॉडल ठीक हो जाएगा। ये नहीं कि अभी ऑन द स्पॉट ठीक हो जाए, पर 1 महीना 2 महीना बाद तो गैप मैं बता सकता हूँ कि 75% तो मैट्रिक्स तो दे देगा। मैंने तो अभी ट्राई नहीं किया है, तो ऐसा आपका जो डेटा सेट है वो करना चाहूँगा।
ठीक है या यू गुड।
तो आप जा रहे हैं मुंबई कि नहीं? तो चलिए फिर से शुरू करते हैं। हाँ जी, who's gonna start?
Still thinking.
Still thinking.
I'm thinking.
यार फिर मुझे लग रहा है मुझे तो चैट जीपीटी बोल देना चाहिए था, वो उसी से कर रहा है।
Yeah, I mean, take care.
और के टोकन डिच हो
Should I just take it?
Sure, go for it.
So I think even recently when I got hired, it was because of the way my brain thinks. Because it's like I learn and adapt fast. So that was the reason. And even in neurosciences where I want to be, it's the only thing. Like I mostly work in the ideation and talking to users. So that's something. Ideation I also do with GPT sometimes, but then mostly it is with the user, with the person itself. So the way I interact with people and everything that got me hired, and maybe that is something that kind of relationships I build, and the empathy as well as the mind. That's something which helps me always, and which gets me out of the shelter. So that's something. Yeah, that's
So why should we hire you?
because I learn and adapt fast. That's it. I mean, you give me tasks.
No, so what are you bringing on the table? I really want to understand that, we are here talking about generative AI and all those things, and then you want to get into a neuroscience domain, right?
Neurotech.
Neurotech.
बहन भाई ही हैं. So in neurotech, okay, आप ठीक है neurotech, right? So I want to know that what will you bring on the table with AI and without AI. आपने अपने intellectual side के बारे में बात करी, where you said that I am good learner, मैं जल्दी learn कर लेती हूँ. AI भी कर लेते हैं.
Right. So basically, when it comes to particularly neuroscience and connecting it with my domain, I mainly work into basically BBB on a chip and stuff, where I'm researching and developing things which are mostly like lab work. So I mostly work in the labs. So that's something which it's mainly I work in the labs instead of just working with the
So-
AI stuff. So building it.
Is AI helping you to do that? To do that
Absolutely.
research?
So
How is it?
recently, like the idea which I'm working on with a space pharma company, that idea itself, it was there in like my head, and I just started researching on it. I was studying about it from research papers, and then using Claude also. So I was using Claude as my teacher. But then when it comes to actually doing that experiment, I have to do that by being in a lab, bioprinting it with those machines, and for that, that's something which I have to do. I mean,
So let's say a bioscience company is going to hire you, and based on all your understanding and learnings in last few years, how would you pitch yourself that what I can bring to the table, what actually Brahm asked, but what I can bring to the table that is connected with somehow a little bit on the AI side, on the neural side, on other things as well.
About a bioscience company, I would say it is mostly because of just my research work.
Okay.
That's something which bioscience company or a space pharma company would look for, like the kind of experience I have with the research and what I have developed in the past.
Right.
So that's something which even life sciences companies sees.
So you are proposing that you can do faster research with help of AI
Yeah,
assisted things.
absolutely. I mean, that's what I do.
You know what? Surprisingly, when she talked about मैं क्लाउड यूज करती हूँ and then वो जो पॉज आया था ना, मुझे लगा उसका टोकन एग्जॉस्ट हो गया.
Yeah, वो हो जाता है.
अभी वो ना एक्चुअली रिफिल हो रहे हैं, तो मैं एक बजे जाके करूँगी अब बाकी काम. Okay, over to somebody else.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you have any questions to her,
Please.
I work on a very consumer friendly basis. मतलब I talk to a lot of consumers की मतलब
so I'll reiterate the question. What do you bring on the
on
table,
the table
so
हाँ,
that we
definitely.
have you?
So basically like अगर even if I'm working in design, so like people like to take inferences from physical objects or day-to-day objects, like which AI can't I think usually take. मतलब some phenomena is happening, suppose recently में कुछ नया है, कुछ हो रहा है, तो like I can inculcate in that. मतलब जो AI के पास उसके बारे में data है नहीं, So that's what I can do. I can build various things since I'm a creative person. So I can think a little differently, जो which can mix and match three other things, four other things. I think which AI cannot. मतलब उसको आप reference दोगे तो definitely वो करेगा, but कुछ नया ही बनाना from that basis. So I can do that. और if it comes to cyber security, like जैसे database management हो गया या कुछ important credentials हो गए जो AI को हम trust नहीं कर सकते, तो लाइक यू हैव टॉक अबाउट फिनटेक में नहीं कर सकते, तो लाइक उस बेसिस पे लाइक आई कैन वर्क अपॉन दोज टेक्नोलॉजीज या उसको मैनेज करने की चीज़ें लाइक विच वी कैन नॉट डेफिनेटली ट्रस्ट विद एआई.
So I have a very interesting question for you.
या
So you might have seen that ki with AI, people are creating new and new cybersecurity threats, right? Very easy to create.
वेरी
ones,
इजी टू
right?
क्रिएट.
You can just go to a website and try to hack it and ask Claude to okay give me commands.
कमांड
One after another. It
कि
will-
गिव मी अ वे अराउंड
हाँ,
ऐसे.
हाँ,
हाँ
वो it will do it for it will at least help
हाँ,
you, right? It
help
won't
कर-
say no. That's
पहले मना करेगी,
हाँ.
फिर you'll try and find a
So,
workaround.
तो मतलब
do you have any way or have you thought of it ever that you can use AI to
कि मतलब
build a
हाँ
system that
लाइक इफ यू लाइक आई एम बिल्डिंग अ वेबसाइट या ऐसे कुछ सिस्टम बनाता हूँ, ऐप बनाता हूँ, तो आई कैन गार्ड इट विद सम गेज कि मतलब जो एआई बाईपास नहीं कर सकता, या फिर उसके अंदर उस टाइप के मतलब मॉडल्स या वो ना डालूँ कि वो डायरेक्टली एक्सेस कर पाए उससे, मतलब तो मे बी दैट्स हाउ आई कैन वर्क अराउंड इट. मतलब बाकी कंज्यूमर बेसिस पे रहता है, तो बहुत कंज्यूमर्स अगर जैसे डे टू डे कोई प्रोजेक्ट है या ऐप है विच कंज्यूमर इंटरैक्ट, जैसे मेरा कैफ़े है, तो आई बिल्ड अ सिस्टम जहाँ पे कंज्यूमर डायरेक्टली ऑर्डर करता है या फिर लाइक दे कैन गिव द रेसिपीज ऑल्सो. सो लाइक एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन हो जाता है.
right?
तो लाइक हम कोई एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करते हैं, कंज्यूमर्स को कुछ चाहिए होता है, कुछ नहीं होता, तो लाइक उसमें मैं कर सकता हूँ कि लाइक आई कैन डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट दिस, मतलब ये ब्लिंकिट से कनेक्ट कर दिया, जोमेटो से कनेक्ट कर दिया, हमने बना दिया, कुछ कर दिया, मतलब क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म इंटीग्रेशन, मतलब उस
Are
type
you
से.
aware कि you are still are missing something that you need to learn? मतलब जैसे क्या होता है कि you don't are even aware कि मुझे क्या सीखना है, right? But are you even aware कि आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए
What's your next step?
to reach to your next step or
That's
next target? नहीं
नहीं,
complex हो गया.
complex हो गया.
और यहीं पे
You
आप
want-
मार खा जाते हैं.
हाँ.
यही पे हम
But
जेने
हाँ.
वाला लेकिन
So we'll come to you. आप कूपन लाए अपने रेस्टोरेंट्स के?
हाँ sure.
क्या पे
Okay.
यहाँ से क्या
Over to you, sir. Sponsored by क्या नाम कैफे?
काफी
काफी sponsored by
Sponsored by काफी. जो काफी नहीं है.
So I think in research and development, basically I can contribute in ground reality. Basically, like I have seen many situations where ground operations take place, like we can, which AI cannot feel like. As we can see in recent times, Google also launched a project in which they were working on mosquitoes and something,
Yeah.
and they were contributing in the like for
I understand,
reducing
yes.
that. So basically, Google has several another
Initiatives.
initiatives which work on these research and development projects, which AI cannot figure out because it cannot work on ground reality, like a perspective which human life is facing. Like for example, currently we have seen like many people who need some assistive technology. For example, they do not have hands or something. So for that, we can build a solution for like they can you type from their eye blink and something, and
Neuralink is doing something.
Neuralink, yes. So that AI cannot replace because we are figuring out ground operations for that. So recently I was also working on similar project in which I was using iBlink to type through keyboard. Also, like I was working on a machine in which like it translates braille language to keyboard, which commands the computer to type. So basically, these are the ground operations which I could contribute because research and development needs like we have to work like हमें constantly अपना मतलब work करते रहना चाहिए कि like what is missing in the society, which AI cannot tell. The
But ये
gap,
तो बड़े लोग नहीं सोचेंगे.
the gap which we need to fulfill, because like as a student or as a fresher, we can create a chain of like in our neighboring areas as well for like what's missing in that, and we could work on that because like we cannot like enforce everything at one place only. We need to implement ground operation for that, uh, which helps improve our area only currently, and then we could go beyond.
So just to give you a little more constructive feedback here, when we talk about hiring you, right? You are already applying for certain team, right? That team is already working on something, right? तो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना this and that and find क्या कर सकते हैं हम क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? वो already उस पे काम कर रहे होते हैं. So when you are pitching your own self, think about it what you bring to the table, not about कि आप क्या solve कर सकते हो.
I will bring to the table like
नहीं आराम से सोचना भाई.
like I think, for example, like,
Anybody else if somebody likes. Yeah, go on, please go on.
I think that the company current project which company is working on, I can contribute, but I can also contribute in which future project company can work on.
Okay.
So that's the
Bring ideas to the
Okay.
Like,
That is a good thing. Like open to ideas.
I would just like to add to each of your answers, just to add my thoughts to it. This may or may not be in the podcast. That's okay. तो आपने जो सबसे पहले आंसर दिया, first of all, good thought. I think उसके अंदर आप क्या ऐड कर सकते थे कि वो जो इतना बड़ा डेटा सेट अगर आपको चाहिए, तो मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम से आप उसको प्रोसेस करोगे, आप उसको अगर किसी एल्गोरिथम से प्रोसेस कराओगे, what will be the cost of tokens? वो एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉस्ट है जो कि which may be the deciding factor itself.
Yeah, and nobody talks about it.
Yeah. Right? तो ये भी आप ऐड करना अगली बार when you answer this question to
कंपटीशन का पार्ट.
हाँ, मतलब इसके नंबर ऑफ टोकन्स कितना
Cost
कितना
है.
डेटा
उसकी
जाएगा,
cost.
कितना डेटा जाएगा, कितने टोकन्स बनेंगे, क्या कॉस्ट आएगी, किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं इसके बारे में. तो
ग्राफिक कार्ड वाला लैपटॉप चाहिए होगा और
गुड पॉइंट.
Definitely.
गुड पॉइंट. ग्राफिक कार्ड लैपटॉप तो आपको एमएल के लिए भी चाहिए होगा. लेकिन जब when we talk of generative AI technology, we should think about token cost also. So you can add this to your thing.
Just to rephrase, I'm sorry,
Please.
Just to rephrase, सर कहना चाह रहे हैं कि business side of the aspect भी सोचो कि वहाँ पे expense कितना है उस चीज़ का,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
That is also equally important because you might have seen in the industry,
Yes.
right? Everybody is saying कि भाई GPT की cost उतनी है या cloud की cost ही उतनी जा रही है, उतना हमारा intake नहीं आ रहा, profit and loss P&L में सब खत्म हुआ पड़ा है. So that is why people are getting laid off.
Actually, like whenever you're part of a project,
Yeah.
people like associates or senior engineers or engineers, they don't think a bigger picture, right?
Right.
They just
कॉस्ट फैक्टर.
no, not cost factor, the bigger picture. Why this project is being done, what is being
The vision.
achieved, you know, how it will affect, what will be the eventual, you know, cost benefits, like sir said, right?
Business
so
goals क्या
eventually,
हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें.
that is the missing pieces, specifically in Indian engineers I have seen. तो स्टार्टिंग के 3-4-5 साल तो वो बस जिन काम दे दिया वो कर रहे हैं. Why are you not thinking about ये काम क्यों relevant है? You have to question back, you have to push back. अगर relevant नहीं है तो छोड़ दो.
And surprisingly,
Like you
this
ask-
thing, sorry,
Yeah.
surprisingly, this thing which he's talking about will give you level up.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Sometimes not doing something gives you a level of serious thinking about it.
Yeah.
Yes.
What I would like to add to yours is, okay, so you gave an answer, and he was quick to push it back on you. कि आप जल्दी तो ये भी learn कर लेंगे. Correct, right? He was quick to push it back. How can you improve your answer?
That was strategic actually.
Yeah. My thought on it. Just my thought on it. What you can say is that, based on my experience, I am developing that intuition of what to ask, of what to challenge. If GPT or Claude has given me some answer, I am developing that intuition that can I challenge it. I think that could have been a better answer from your side. Maybe you could improve this answer. What you said on, I think he gave you the feedback. I'm just giving you the feedback for your benefit. You talked about, hey, I can do this. You could have just added one line. If I can do that, I can do this also. If I have the critical thinking of doing that, I can help your project.
Correct.
So just
अब
one
चाहिए
line.
वही था, honestly.
Exactly.
Or to add to what you said. Okay. So I think see, when you started with K, I already have a cat. Why would I?
उसी time reject.
I think
Jokes,
your answer
jokes.
could have been
Yeah.
your answer could have been that I'm talking to users do you have the courage कि आप AI को directly user से बात करवा दो? I am talking to them. I know their pain points. How long will AI take to know their pain points? I know that. Maybe that would have been your better.
So for open-ended questions like this, why would I hire you or
Yes.
something on the table? You have to solve their problems. Like you have to first understand what is their
And
what is
this is
problem.
what you'll get. This is what you'll get on your life.
What good you are bringing, right? Why are you good for this particular problem or a company? So that is the thing.
That's all.
And it's all a learning place, yeah. Don't think about के ये क्या होगा मेरे साथ. It's okay. It's all a learning place, and you learn from us and we learn from you as well. Although I do have certain points which I learn from you guys. मतलब बाद में बताऊंगा. Right, podcast के बाद बताऊंगा.
Behind the scenes.
Right? मतलब उसमें भी नहीं लाना चाहता मैं. वो भी वायरल कर दिया इन्होंने तो. So I think that's pretty much from my end, and thank you everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was great.
conversation.
It's a wrap.
So thanks everyone for watching. So आपने देखा कि diverse students के diverse doubts आए and experts ने उनके अच्छे से answer किया. Basically you don't have to be afraid of AI. You just have to play with it. आप AI को use करते रहें अपने काम में. Know what AI is actually doing. So मतलब not just use code and पूरा काम कर दिया. AI slop generate करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to understand the basics. You still have to understand कि आपका end goal code करना नहीं है. आपका end goal value generate करना है. So that was it. If you have any doubts, then please post in the comments. Thank you. कहने वाला AI
सबके लिए.